Okay, stand up. Here she comes, Bryson. Stand up. She's coming to get you, Bryson. Can you go give her a kiss? Give sister kisses. Oh, that was sweet. That was a good big brother. Did you walk?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you say yes? Yes. Bryson, are you going to go to big boy school? Did you go see your classroom? Yes. Say bye-bye. What? Oh, you get to eat snack at school?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Can you say bye-bye?
Dada.